Hey, Song? Almost there. Clearly, need some help. Nearly there. Ends in sight. Fucking hell.
Stop there.
That in order.
Stop where you are or die.
Fuck off. For all time.
Final warning.
Look. Putting her down.
Slow now. So, what do you want to do?
You're not taking her anywhere.
Spare me the quote straight out of Bushido 10. Look at her, V. Be serious. You want to send her to the moon? Our neurosurgeons are her only chance.
Back on the roof, Myers ordered her killed. You didn't protest.
You heard it.
Every last word.
The situation's changed. Just leave SongBird to me. I can still help her.
You'll take her over my dead body. If she dies, she'll die a free woman. She wanted out and away. From you, Myers, the FIA. Said so.
Your past. You can't just escape it. I know what I'm talking about.
How would you? Never tried it yourself.
I'm just not naive, V.
Myers don't trust you no more. Thinking to get back in her good graces? By delivering me on a platter?
This is not about me.
Can't hand her over? Won't. Out of my way, Reed.
You got 3 seconds. 1.
I'm sorry, man.
2. Damn late.
Fuck.
You had no choice. But your friend there will join Reed in the Beyond if you don't hurry your ass.
We're gonna be okay. One last push. From here on out, you're on your own. You might make it, might not. That just ain't my biz anymore. Got my own shit to tend to. High time I did that.
Life support activated. Onboard computers. Warning system memory clear.
Good luck, Song. In spite of it all.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressure sufficient for takeoff. Automatic boot sequence initiated.
Well, no turning back now.
Minus 60 seconds. RS-25 main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters active.
Job done.
You doubt she's gonna make it.
No idea. But wherever she goes, her problems will follow.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Luck played no part in it, Johnny. You and her just wanted different things.
Really? So do tell. What was it I wanted so badly?
Plus, cheers. Did absolutely everything to please the crowd.
Nah. Maybe. Guess I could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Dunno.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself's some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you could be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0 lifted.
She made it. Great, that's what counts.
Found out treasures are always lost. Pleasures and rage come back. I'm watching you. Be careful with your moves. Tonight, I think the time is right. I think the blood is dried. It cries for more. So what are we waiting for? Wires and chains starting to fade. It feels like a game you have to play. Lights out. Is this who you really are? Can't look into your eyes. Your twisted mind. It's dark, so dark. We end it now. It ends right here, right now. Illusions are always lost. Pleasure